What's up, guys? We are back here with another auto auction update. Man, we got a few cars on the list. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you're wondering what these cars are going to go for, be sure to tune in tomorrow morning as that video will be out first thing in the AM. Let's get right into it now, shall we? Oh my God. Finally, something worth showing you guys, man. What we got here, 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee here, 65,000 miles on the dash, man. Does look like it could be fixed, man. You got some little scrapage, little tequila kick here in the fender. Nothing too major. You need a fender, a bumper. The lights look to be intact. Need a fender, or you can probably get this thing pulled out over here. You can pop the hood. It is the V6. Of course, it's not the SRT. V6 still is pretty good. You got the nice little wheels on there. I would definitely take this whip. This thing is freaking dope. Oh yeah. Let's take a look at the inside, guys. Nice brown or blackish leather. I don't know if that's, I don't know, it looks brown on the door, but in person, like in close up, it looks black. So we're gonna say some nice leather interior. It does look really good in here, guys. You got the double sunroof. That thing is pretty clean, pretty neat. You got all your little controls up here. You got track mode over there. Oh no, that's rock mode. I'm thinking of the SRT, man. This thing is freaking clean. I like this. Let's see what this thing go for here today, man. Pretty decent whip. Oh yeah, that's brown leather interior. I'm liking that. I'm really liking that. It's the Summit Grand Cherokee. Automatic, the automatic trunk on it. That's pretty fair. Do it got the automatic close? Oh yeah, it do. Yeah, that's fair. All right, it was worth coming here then. Cause this is like something I've been trying to get for my girl. We want to low-key trade in the BMW and get something like this, but I really want her to get the SRT version. But this one is just as clean, man. Just as clean, and the front doesn't look as bad either. So, man, I'd hope somebody come buy this freaking Kia and this bike today. I would cash out on this so fast. But what y'all think about the Grand Cherokee, man? This is something I would definitely be interested in. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. We got a 2007 Hummer H3 here, 138,000 miles. First glance, it does look pretty good, man. I don't see any body damage or anything like that. You got some aftermarket wheels on there, but they are all matching, which is a plus. You can probably beef up the tires on them a little bit. Hummer H3, 138,000 miles. Nice black leather interior. The back does look good. Front looks good as well. Pretty decent looking truck, man. Got the really wide hips on that joint. Take this thing off-roading. I think this thing is really nice. But that Cherokee, man. Man, that Cherokee, I need that. I need that, man. I'm sorry. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. Man, we got a 2014 Hyundai Elantra here. Salvage on the title. 81,000 miles, guys. So you do got some tequila kickage there. It looks like this thing ran up on a curb at some point. You do got some scoopage there. This bumper is like pretty whooped. We can pop this hood here and see if we see anything interesting. I mean, everything under here looks pretty much intact. It doesn't seem as if the radiator support is bent back or anything like that. It's literally just that little grill piece. So that may be a comp there. This bumper is hanging on this side as well, so you might just need to get that bumper adjusted. If we take a look at the inside of this thing, does have pretty decent black leather interior, which is pretty fair. Take a look in the back, it does look pretty good as well. That seat interface and everything up here looks to be intact. I don't see any airbags out. Yeah, I don't see any airbags out. I don't know why it's salvage. I don't know, maybe it's some undercarriage stuff. But at 80,000 miles, I still think you got a lot of room to work. This one should go at a pretty decent price here today. Let's check it out and see what it goes for. Let me guys, next up, man, we got a 2008 Nissan Altima here. 200K on the dash, man. Does have some rims on it. You do got some tequila kickage here. Headlights is super whooped. No centers in the middle of those wheels. So me personally, I'd rather have the stocks on here. But dang, if you look on this side, you got a whole like Jackie Chanage over here. That thing is whooped, boy. All these dents. Gonna need 2 new doors. It'll just be that. It'll be easier to do just that. Yeah, we're not really into it like that, so I don't want to waste your time. But if you like it, I love it, man. What you think about it, let me know in the comments below. And I know I didn't go in there because we're not betting on it. Next up, guys, we got a 2002 Honda Civic here. 198,000 miles on the clock. Is a 4-door. Usually these cars are like 2-door coupes, but this one is the 4-door. Does look really good from a first glance. We can pop this hood open and look under there. It does seem pretty fair. We are missing a battery, so we'll need a battery for this one. 198,000 miles. I still think we got some room to work here. Does have pretty decent interior. Nice cloth gray interior. Nothing too crazy. Interface and everything up front looks to be in order, as well as the sunroof. This should be the top of the line version. Believe it is, being the EX. Does look pretty good though. This will be something I'd be interested in buying here today. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys. Next up, man, we got a 2016. We got a 2016 Buick Verano here. Looked like the police had freaking barricaded them in. They got a whole bunch of tequila kicks over here and in the back. This thing is pretty whooped. I wouldn't be surprised if the airbags is off in this joint. It is a 2016 though. 111,000 miles. Maybe worth the fix, honestly. I'm trying to see if I can. There we go. Under the hood looks really good under here. I don't see anything out of order. Seems pretty legit. We do got some creasing over here, so this whole door is like off the mook. We take a look inside. Door is locked. Does have the leather interior. Is the 2016. Pretty decent interior here. Pretty decent car. However, it does have some dents and dings. It being a 2016, it is worth fixing. Should be pretty simple. But I don't know. I'm not really into Buicks, but I mean, this is a newer Buick, so it'll be easier selling. I don't know what you guys think about it. Let me know in the comments below. Wow, man, we never see this here. This is the first time I've seen one of these here. We got a 2011 Cadillac CTS here, a coupe with 146,000 miles, guys. Man, my rims will go right on here. That thing will fit so freaking fat. Before we get into anything, let's just look under the hood really quick and see what it's looking like. Definitely not the V8, but I mean, it's decent enough. At least we don't see anything all scattered over the place. 146,000 miles. Pretty dope Cadillac. However, this one kind of looks like, I don't know if that's blood or not. I don't know, y'all let me know. Interiors, I mean, it's there, but This thing just looked like they got shot or something in the car, and I don't want to be the one to open it and touch it. Pretty fair little caddy. Pretty fair. Yeah, I don't want to open that. I'm cool. Somebody must have got popped in this one, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Next up, guys, we got a 07 Dodge Charger here, man. First glance, does look pretty cool body-wise. Do got muddy tires. Shouldn't be too much of an issue with a wash. You do got like some carbon fiber type of vinyl trimming on this hood here. Nothing crazy. There we go. Look like some radiator busted or something. Not really too sure. Doesn't look the best though. Doesn't look the best. You do got muddy wheels over here, so maybe this thing ran into a ditch of some sort. Take a look at the inside. It's all right, I guess. It's all right. Body-wise, I guess it's pretty cool. Got the smoke tail lights. How many miles on this joint? 142,000 miles. What you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments below. Next up, guys, we got a 2010 Toyota Prius here. 103,000 miles on the dash. Seems pretty fair. Got a big thing of bird like squat on the hood, but body-wise and everything looks pretty intact. These doors are locked too. Wow. They forgot to open these doors up, but I mean, if we can take a look at the inside from here, it does look pretty fair. Body-wise does look to be pretty good as well. I don't know what y'all think about it, man. 103,000 miles. Let me know in the comments below. Yeah, guys, most of these cars, man, you know, most of them don't even really deserve a review. So if the video is a little bit short, you know, it is what it is. This one seems pretty new. A 2014 Chevy Spark or something. 91,000 miles. You're gonna need a fender on this end and a bumper. Fender, bumper, mirror right here. 91,000 miles. Definitely was a smoker. Got cigarette butts and everything everywhere. Cars is super dirty, man. As y'all see, I'm really not trying to get none of these cars today. I'm tired of freaking mistakenly hopping in cars that people done got popped in. So I'm trying to be very cautious. But I mean, this one is a pretty cool, judging it runs decent. 91,000 miles. What y'all think about the Chevy Spark? Couple more cars. Guys, most of these cars are just super beat. So I don't want to waste your time reviewing junk cars, man. And this thing is back here. I remember somebody was asking me about this. Somebody never came and picked this up. And it's right back here. So if you guys want it, man, it's still available. Remember you guys was asking me about it. It's sold for like, I want to say $400 or something like that. Something cheap. Something super cheap. Still here. What else we got? Little Isuzu Rodeo, Dodge Caravan, Isuzu Trooper, Buick Regal, it's not the GS. Then we got a Ford F-150. The whole front is off. Yeah. Alrighty, guys, we got something a little bit more decent here. We got a 2003 Honda Accord here, 174,000 miles on the clock. First glance, it does look pretty cool. You do got a little bit of your bumper hanging off right there in the front. If we pop this hood, see what's going on under here. 3.0 VTEC does look pretty good in order in here. Doesn't really look too out of place. This headlight needs to be restored. This bumper needs to be, well, not bumper, but this half of the bumper needs to be bolted on as well. You need some air in that tire. You may need some rotors there here soon. We swing back around this way. Windows down, so this thing's been getting jacked up, but you guys should see the back just looks super whipped back there. A bunch of junk. You guys can see the front also dirty as heck. But I mean, pretty fair. It can be brought back to life. Can be brought back to life. 174,000 miles. This will be probably one I'll bid on, this one and that other silver Honda from the beginning. Wow, looks like they tried to put a Tahoe front end grill on that. This looks like a Tahoe front end grill to me, like a newer one. What y'all think? This one whooped too. What is this? 2010 Chevy Equinox. This thing is whooped. Yeah, it's not very exciting today, guys. Sorry I couldn't, get you something decent. Alrighty, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. Not that many cars here. It's probably about a good 4 or 5 cars, so wouldn't even do a top 10, but you guys seen the one that we really want, which is like right back there, the Grand Cherokee. So I actually just got the title in for the Kia, so hopefully I can get this thing sold pretty fast. Hopefully, what would be ideal if I can get it sold today, I can come back and buy the Grand Cherokee. Either or, that or the motorcycle. I'm not too fond of selling the motorcycle right away, but shoot, if somebody comes with what I'm asking for or something that I can't refuse, it's out of there, I'm just gonna go get me another one. But man, I would want that truck. They got a couple trailers for sale, and everything over here doesn't run. Not really that many cars here today, but what's here is worth it. So be sure to check back in tomorrow and see what that Cherokee sells for, because I'm definitely going to be here for that. So stay tuned. As always, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.